In celebrities news today, there is a recent sad news. Brazilian bodybuilder and social media influencer has died 3 hours ago. Different social media started writing about Alana Paiva. She died due to a motorbike crash in Rio de Janeiro today. She was a Brazilian bodybuilder and an influencer. Social media said that her motorbike went in a crash with a minibus. It was a tragic and horror accident. Condolences to her family, her fans, and all her friends. May she rest in peace. She was a bodybuilder and a social media influencer.